Okay, now for fun time. So, as I've told you guys before, I stripped all the threads out of the transmission in my mower. You can really see it on this one. I don't know if you can see it down in there, but the threads are just gone. The threads are pretty much gone out of this one. They still more or less exist there, and they're almost completely gone out of this one. These two holes are just for other types of mowers. I don't use these. So, instead of spending $200 on a brand new transmission, I spent $40 and got this kit. So these are M8 bolts. So we're going to use the M8 part of this kit. So basically, what you do is drill the hole out, put it back, tap new threads, put it back, and then use this little insert down, these little inserts down here, and make your new threads, and then it should be good as new. I hope. I've never done this before, so we'll see what happens. So step number one is you want to take a small screwdriver, according to the internet, and you want to stick that in the hole and mark on that screwdriver. This is how deep I want to go. I don't want to go any deeper than this, because then I'll be drilling into the actual transmission itself. Then take your drill bit and line them up and transfer. Goodness gracious. Transfer your tape over to your drill bit. Is it really? Is it really all we go down? That doesn't seem to make sense. Yeah, I guess. It doesn't actually go that far. It's interesting. Alright, so once you've got your mark, grab a drill. Another one of my M12 tools. Let's see if this battery... Oh, man. Got the blinky light of a damaged battery. That's a bummer. Figures. Got this on Amazon. I wonder if I can return it. Got it a couple months ago, but like all my other batteries are good, but this one's giving me the blinky light of death. So, here goes nothing. What in the world? Now that part is done, so we're just going to do one at a time, because like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. Now, I mean, I've threaded stuff before, but never when it actually mattered. Okay. You want it to cut straight. For the sake of example, that is not cutting straight. do know you want to periodically reverse, of course. Come on. This is why I need a right tool. Ugh. I need to be able to lock a tool on so I stop dropping it. Feels like I might be bottoming out. So now I'm gonna pull it out. Okay, so that went all the way down. Okay, so if I'm reading the internet right, I loosen this. It's just going to have to go down here somewhere. Place insert on installation tool. Position the adjustable ring so that the insert tang is in the center of the tang slot. Place the installation tool over the hole and wind the insert into the hole until the coil is a half turn below the top surface. Okay, so theory. I think I made this a little too low. There we go. Can't believe this may actually be working. Okay, to blow off the tang after fitment of inserts by tang brake tools, give a sharp blow to remove the tang. The bolt can go through and through. Due to the narrow exact tolerance, the new thread normally is stronger than the original one. You say so, bro. Alright, assuming. Yep. Okay. Tang fall out. Alright, now, moment of truth. Let's see if this actually works. Huh, I'll be darned. It did. That was so much easier than I had expected. That's pretty cool. What I don't know, and I'll have to consult the internet, is if I need to use Loctite or not. I'm not sure. So I'll have to find out. Okay, so I got 3 more holes to do. I'm just going to kind of buzz through them real quick. It's pretty, I mean, you've seen it once, you don't need to see it again, so maybe I'll just do it like super fast or something. But that was actually way easier than I expected. And there you go. I've got the 4 holes redone. That was shockingly easy. So I just got to put it all back together and give it a test run.